Why does joblib.delayed not work as decorator? The package joblib has a function delayed which captures the arguments passed to the function. It can be used for example like this. The latter usage makes me think this could be used like any other decorator. This is supported by its documentation. Joblib.delayed function, check_pickle equals true decorator used to capture the arguments of a function. However, this fails. I tried this with Python 2.7.12.
It looks like it's a namespace issue, which causes joblib.delayed to attempt to pickle the output function, instead of the original function. I haven't looked into the joblib code, but the thing you propose would be the way to do it. It's not ideal, but it works.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.